Good day everyone, this is Teacher Alvin, your MAPE teacher. MAPE, Pinalanggaon na Guro. For today's video, we're gonna talk about the simple forms of music, the binary and the ternary form. Get your ballpen and your notebook and take down notes all the important details about the topics. Let's go!
Teacher Alvin TV. Please subscribe and share.
Good day children, MAPE 6, Music, Quarter 3, Week 1, Day 1. We will have our simple review. Direction, write the sopa syllable of the melody each note below. We will have our stuff and notes, and of course we will have the key of F because we will have our flat notes. And of course our time signature is 3-4. Okay, so this is the key of F. So the number 1 or the first notes in sopa syllables is mi. And of course, so. Okay, and then we have our high do. Do. And then another so. And of course, another mi, another so, and another so. And this is a half dotted note. Okay? Mi so do, so mi so so. Okay? Mi so do, so mi so so. Okay, you understand children? Next, give at least 3 makabayan songs that we always sing in the school. Of course, number 1 is what is in your mind. Think about the 3 songs that we're gonna sing in the school. Of course, we will have our lupang tinira. Lupang tinira. Not bayang magiliw. And then we will have our bayan ko. And the number 3 is let's find out at the end of our topic. Our topic for this morning is all about musical forms or simple musical form, binary and ternary forms of music. Form in music refers to the structure of a musical piece of a performance. Composers express their musicianship and creativity by organizing notes into melodies to musical phrases and eventually forming into beautiful songs. A piece of music is a product of various interrelated musical phrases and ideas, thereby creating its form. We perceive the form of a piece by listening to it and analyzing how each musical line relates with one another. Aside from listening to the music, you can also know the form of the music by looking at the musical score. Musical ideas in a piece are labeled with letters to organize it in the score. The first section of the piece is always labeled A. If the next section sounds differently from A, it will be labeled B. In the same way, a section that has different melody with A and B or A or B is labeled C. Do you understand, children? Look at the following musical score below and try to identify their forms. Please refer to this YouTube link for this song. To avoid copyright, we will have our binary forms. The title of the song, Ako Ay Pilipino. Let's try to sing the song, but pagpasensyaan nyo na grade 6 ang aking boses sa kantang ito. Okay, let's start to sing the song. Ako ay Pilipino, ang dugo'y maharlika. Likas sa aking puso at hikain kay ganda. Sa Pilipinas na aking bayan, lantay na perlas ng silangan, nanwari na tipo ng kayamanan ng may kapal. Bigay sa aking talino sa mabuti lang laan, sa aking katutubo ang maging mapagmahal. Ako ay Pilipino, ako ay Pilipino, isang bansang sandiwa ang minimiti ko. Sa bayan ko't bandila, laan buhay ko't diwa. Ako ay Pilipino, Pilipinang totoo. Ko ay Pilipino, ako ay Pilipino, taas noo kahit kanino, ang Pilipino ay ako. Okay, that is Ako ay Pilipino. And the time signature is 3-4. Binary forms, apart from the lyrics of the music or apart from the lyrics of the song, can you see letters in the score? How many letters do you see? Based on the letters, how many music sections are there in the piece? Notice the notes in each section. Are they similar or different? The song Ako Ay Pilipino has two sections. The first section is labeled A and the second section is labeled B. The melodies of the two sections differ from each other, hence, the song is in binary form. Next, we will have our ternary form of music. Please refer to the song YouTube link for this song. Okay, to avoid copyright. We will have our tinikling. Let's sing the song Tinikling. Children, do you know the song Tinikling? Tinikling, awiting bayan ng Samar at Leyte. And this one is the time signature of the song is 3-4. So let's try to sing this song. Kay saya-saya ng piknikan sa bukid, ibon at talamay pawang umaawit. Masarap ang hangin kay ganda ng langit. May tula at awit sa agos ng batis. Tayo'y magsayaw, umindak sa tugtugin. Mga palakpak ay isalin. Ang lukso mo, neneng, dapat pagbutihin. Pag nagkamali, maiipit ka man din. Kay saya-saya ng piknikan sa bukid. Ibon at talamay, pawang umaawi. Masarap ang hangin, kay ganda ng langit. May tula at awit sa agos ng batis. How many letters are there? Based on the piece, how many times do you have to sing a section? Can you describe the sequence of singing the song by using the section label? Now, how many letters are there? How many sections are there? The song Tinikling has 3 sections. The first section is labeled A, the second section is labeled B, and the third section is a repetition of the first section. The melody of the first and third sections are the same, but the melody of the B section is different. The song above is an example of ternary form ABA sequence. We will have our activity. Try to study the musical score and answer the following questions. The title of the song is Bayan Ko. Listen to the song through YouTube link. But let's try to sing the song. The song is Bayan Ko. The time signature is another 3/4. Okay? Titik ni Tugtugin. Constancio de Guzman. Okay, let's try to sing the song. Ang bayan kong Pilipinas, lupain at ginto't bulaklak, pag-ibig ang sa kanyang pala, nag-alay na ganda tila, at sa kanyang yumi at ganda, dayuhan ay naalina. Bayan ko, binihag ka, nasakdal sa tusa. Ibon mang may layang lumipad, kulungin mo at umiiyak. Bayan pa kayang sakdalila, ang himag nasa makaalpas. Pilipinas kong minumutya, pugad ng luha at dalita. Ang king adhika, makita kang sakdang na ya. Okay, so again, the song is a time signature of 3/4. Bayan Ko. Question number 1. How many sections compose the song? Question number 2. How is the first section labeled? Question number 3. How is the second section labeled? Four, is there a difference in the melody of the section A and B? And number 5, what is the musical form of the song? Direction, identify what is being described. Number 1, the melody in the first section A is different with the section or the second section B, while the melody in the third section C is different compared to the first and second section. Number 2, it is a piece separated into 3 sections in which the third section is a repetition of the first section. 3. It has 2 musical different sections. 4. It is an element of music which refers to the structure of the musical piece of performance. And number 5, the two kinds of ternary form.
Thank you very much for watching my video. Hope that my video give you a lot of information about the topic, most especially in our music. And adios amigos!